Welcome today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. So here in the search we'll enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Always it takes just a couple of seconds, but I think that I got a poor internet connection, so we should wait a little bit more. Okay, after that you should just open the application. Here click yes, I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner click to OK. And now here you can see the section with the temperature of our device battery. In our case that's 31 degrees, and also here we got a lot of different information like the level, health of our battery capacity, voltage, the Android version, model of our device, and more other informations. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.